Can Kaspa crash back to 3 cents again? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to speak what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price. We're about to see the rank, the market cap, we're about to see the hash rate, the top addresses. We're about to do our typical technical analysis that we do daily. Guys, I will show you something that I believe that's about to play out, okay? And lastly, we're gonna close the video about if I believe that Kaspa can drop back to 3 cents. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news from the Kaspa. So it's going to be very beneficial to you to know all of these things by first hand. And also guys, do not forget that we have immigrate to WealthNet, where WealthNet is quite different than just a Patreon channel. Because in WealthNet, I'm looking for elite crypto investors. She's a private community of like-minded people. So that's why the accessibility is going to be very limited. Okay, it's not accessible for everyone. To enter into the WealthNet, you need to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a small brief introduction about yourself and what you're expecting from that group to see your mindset, okay? And then we decide if you are eligible or not for that group. And as you can clearly see, we have 1 year access. It's with yearly payment, okay, which is $250 per year. It equals around $20 a month, and we have the lifetime access where you are like a main contributor of the group. These prices are only for the first 50 people. Yesterday, WealthNet was live, and we are already 16 people inside, and another 9 people are about to enter. We're approximately 25, 26 people that will be in the group until the next week. So guys, grab your position before the price is gonna skyrocket. It was astonishing, all this very, very fast participation just in the first day. Thank you so much to everyone who participated. And guys, by the first glance of this group, when you're gonna enter, you're gonna see that you're gonna hang out with elite ones, okay? Also in that group, as you can clearly see, private live streams. You're gonna build connections. We have exclusive educational content, okay, concentrated in one place. Very educational stuff. And if you're looking for lifetime access, you're gonna have all the benefits of the 1 year plus main contributor, exclusive Discord role, access to video calls, private video calls, one-to-one whenever you would like with me, priority in private DMs, exclusive access to make money, okay, only for the lifetime access, this part, and voting power for future decisions, etc. And obviously, speak with me 24/7, crypto portfolio, buy, sell signals, especially for Kaspa. And this is the WealthNet. You can pause the video to read exactly by yourself what you're gonna expect from this group. And guys, learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field and now enjoy a wealthy life is what I would like to tell you. And surround yourself with sharks and not with fishes. So if you think that you are eligible for that group and you have the same mindset as we have as investors, crypto investors, I recommend you to send an email to welcome you to our family. Without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the update of Kaspa, our typical update. Guys, Kaspa right now is standing at 0.045 cents. We have some fear, some fund around again emerge. And to remind you, I told you even yesterday when the price was starting at 0.047 cents, 48 cents, the situation, I'm not gonna lie, is looking bearish. You can go watch my previous video. I told you and I warned you that there is a probability to see furthermore selling pressure, okay? Because from the technical side, even though if I don't trust that much technical here, I should admit that this was bearish, okay? Even for me, where I'm not a technical guy, because we broke this huge uptrend support that was forming for many days. But I will tell you the difference with what I'm expecting in a very few. And guys, the rank remains 44. Even with the drop that happened, Kaspa cannot go back to rank 50 or above so easy. And that's the power of Kaspa, because we are backed by lots of diamond hands, and the diamond hands will not sell Kaspa before the bull run of 2025. Okay, and some people maybe won't sell Kaspa until 2029. So the diamond hands that we got, they have like above 70-80% in their portfolios Kaspa, and they hold Kaspa with 6 figures and above. I'm speaking for the big ones, okay, sharks and above category. So you understand that these people know exactly what they are doing, because they are playing also with big money. They are very sure about what move they do. Okay, some people from them also move some bitcoins into Kaspa. They converted some Bitcoin to Kaspa. So you realize that some people understand completely where Kaspa is heading, and that's why they buy and they never sell. So that's why the price cannot drop that dramatically as you believe. Market cap 950. We are under 1 billion again. So exploit that. Start your dollar cost average. It's great accumulation zone. I suggest you right now to do the daily. Daily right now is more better, okay, more easy to do. Don't do the weekly, because the weekly maybe we can have some even more pump or even more dump, who knows. So you won't be able to predict when to buy, if you should buy or not. It's gonna be more psychological thing if you do that weekly. I recommend you daily, and you won't have to freak out about when you buy or not. Okay, and let's move into the technical side, because right now, as I told you previously, the situation is looking bearish, but it's not that bearish as most people believe. Lots of people and lots of FAD right now in the Twitter are speaking that Kaspa would get back to 3 cents. I would like to tell you that I believe it's very, 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 very hard to break even the 4 cents area. Okay, the 4 cents area is super hard to break. Even the 0.042 cents is very hard to break. Not impossible, obviously, but very hard. Okay, you need to separate the things. When I say very hard to break, this means that it's just very hard, not impossible. So what I'm expecting personally, and I have told you that even when we saw the retest of the support here, that if Kaspa will drop, I'm expecting for a fall wedge pattern. Okay, I'm expecting that Kaspa will form here a fall wedge pattern in the next coming days, and we're gonna bounce and break the resistance and get straight to 6 cents, 7 cents area. So in the next coming days, until the end days of September, I'm expecting to be in that area. I'm not expecting for something like a huge pump or huge dump, except if something gonna happen in the crypto space, okay, and something that will collapse Bitcoin or crypto in general. Like FTX collapse or whatever. So if everything will remain the same, I'm expecting just a couple moves like ups and downs in these areas until we're gonna break the resistance and bounce from a support area like 0.042 cents. So in general terms, I'm expecting that Kaspa maybe in the next coming days will stand out in this area 0.04243 cents. But even though if this scenario it's gonna play out, I don't recommend you to sell now and buy back here. This is risky, because as I told you, if tomorrow we're gonna see good news for Kaspa, which are very probable to see good news from anytime soon, okay, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next week, who knows, like exchange listing or whatever, Kaspa will pump no matter the patterns, no matter the charts, no matter everything, will pump to the upside. So because Kaspa is fundamental project and is studying in a position that we're gonna see lots of news, be ready guys to see an explosion anytime. Okay, the explosion to the downside is very hard because we need big retail investors, whales, sharks to sell, and the majority of these people won't sell. So don't expect something crazy from huge drop to the downside. Okay, I will tell you at the end of the video if I believe that if Kaspa can drop back to 3 cents. So stay tuned until the last part. And guys, Hashrate right now, as you can clearly see, is 24.11 petahash per second. Crazy. As you can see, we increase Hashrate every day, so that's very powerful and very positive for the network. 25.32 petahash per second, the all-time high of the Hashrate. And as you can clearly understand, until the end days of September, I'm expecting around 30 petahash per second. So that's gonna be very bullish for Kaspa, okay, for sustain a very healthy and powerful network. And let's move to the addresses, guys. From the addresses, we lost one whale, we lost a couple sharks, and the rest actually smaller categories are in accumulation. But I would like, guys, to tell you that in the top addresses, we saw some more increasement into their wallets. Okay, Get.io surpassed the 700 million mark of Kaspa coins. KuCoin bought around 10 million more Kaspa coins. Even Mixi bought some more Kaspa coins. Mixi, guys, it seems that doing some swing trades, I'm not gonna lie. When actually Kaspa is topping, we notice that Mixi is selling, okay, dropping a lot in the Kas holdings, in the Kas wallet. And when actually Kaspa is dropping, they raise a lot the Kaspa coins in their Mixi wallet. Anyway, who knows what actually they do, but it seems that they're doing some swing trade here, okay? Anyway, that's for the top addresses. And guys, let's get back to the main topic of the video. Can Kaspa actually can drop back to 3 cents? Guys, for me, this is impossible to happen. I'm not gonna lie, because if as I told you before, it's very hard to break even the 0.042 cents, and even more harder to break the 4 cents area. But let's say the worst case scenario, which I'm not expecting it so much, is the 0.038 cents, 37 cents, the worst of the worst case scenario. To see Kaspa back to 3 cents like here, as everyone was expecting to play out this head and shoulder pattern. No, guys, I'm not expecting to see Kaspa back to 3 cents. I believe it's like impossible. 99% impossible to happen. Okay, I leave 1% just in the case something will happen and the world crypto market collapse and we're gonna have crazy liquidation. But if Bitcoin remains at these levels, $26,000 and above, no, I don't believe that Kaspa can drop at 3 cents. Only if Bitcoin will drop back to $20,000, $19,000, and prices like that, only that way, maybe Kaspa can drop at 3 cents and break it and get a little bit below, like 0.028 cents, 27 cents. But for me, it's so hard to break even the 0.042 cents and even harder to break the 4 cents area. Okay. If this gonna happen, as I told you, the worst case is 0.37, 38, the worst of the worst case scenario. But 3 cents is like impossible for me, okay, for my eyes, with the current situation of the Bitcoin. And I have told you also that, if you remember, when we were here at 0.04 cents previously, before a couple of weeks, I told you that it's very, very hard to drop at 2 cents area, like impossible. And right now, this scenario, no one is expecting Kaspa at this point that is starting to drop under 2 cents or at 2 cents at least. No one. But I knew that when actually we were at 0.033 cents, the lowest point. That's what I would like to tell you guys. Also, for those people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, your cryptos, guys, I recommend you only cold storage, not desktop wallets, not hot wallets, not extension wallets, nothing of that. Okay, these are very risky to be hacked, and we saw that lots of times. The previous days I saw you 2 guys that lost $800,000 because they were holding their cryptos in software wallets and web wallets and etc. So guys, be very careful where you store your Kaspa. Avoid the exchanges. Obviously, you can get rug pull anytime soon. They can hold and freeze your cryptos there forever. So I recommend you cold storage 100%. My recommendation is Tajam Wallet. I prefer it over the others. I believe it's the best one in this field area of cold storages. And with CryptoChris code, you're gonna have 10% discount, or by clicking the website, you're gonna have this CryptoChris code applied immediately, so you won't have to put it there, and you're gonna get a 10% off. Highly recommend, okay? And this is not sponsored, it's what I personally use, okay? That's the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. Whatever question you got, leave it down below in the description, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.